So those of you that know about old Mopars and maybe old super stock and stock cars, this is a pinion snubber, and this goes on top of the rear end housing, and this prevents the front of the housing from rotating up into the bottom of the car, thus causing tail hop. So you can adjust the height up and down, and when you're driving on the street, you just leave it down and out of the way so it can't really hit the floor pan. And if you go to the racetrack, you can raise it up, and if that pinion, it keeps that pinion angle from going negative if you set it up right. Not the easiest thing to show, but there is the pinion snubber that comes stock on the car. So you can see there right between the muffler and the clamp, that's the rubber stop. So the one that I'm going to put in there obviously is taller and can be adjusted up and down. That keeps this is the pinion housing, that keeps that pinion housing from rotating up as you accelerate, and if you get traction, and then your drive shaft angle gets compromised. So that will limit that if all else fails and stop wheel hop. So using my wire wheel on an air gun, my pedestal stand with a wire wheel on it, and some Scotch-Brite pads, we cleaned up pretty easy, pretty quickly. So the next step is put some kind of protective coating on it. Now I'm going to treat the inside parts that'll never see daylight with this. And then I'll do the main body next. That area in there will never see daylight. So, and then this area here goes up against the pinion housing, so that will be covered up. So we'll get that treated as well. And then now all we got to do is just paint the rest of it. And now the main body. And I think that's all it needed. So we're good. We just let everything dry. So there it is, all painted and ready to install in the car. And sometime when I've got the car up in the air and doing some suspension work, we'll slide that in there and bolt her down. Not bad for 15 bucks. So if you like this video, go ahead and click that like button. And we're always looking for new subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hitting that like button does a lot for YouTube. So, and if you are new, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. And if you're already a subscriber, click that like button. Thanks a lot for viewing. We'll see you on the next one.